love so that everyone present here would be able to partake of the joy of your birth. Allow us to share with one another your all abounding love, just as you have showed us. Bless all our families, friends, colleagues, and everyone so that we enjoy this Christmas party. We would also realize that this is a celebration of your birthday, that Christmas is not about expensive gifts and grand parties,